Big rain tonight in Starr County, Rio Grande City under a flash flood warning until 11:15 now, extended for another hour. But you see the rain basically along and west of I-69C. Not much east of that just yet. A couple showers kind of breaking out away from it, but not really much. Let's go closer in. And again, you can see the rain in southern Starr County, then down into Mexico. The good news is this stuff was in this box right here, and that's the flash flood warning. Basically, Rio Grande City and eastward for just a few miles. It's not a big box, but if you're in that, it's a problem. You've been seeing a lot of rain, and it's all running downhill toward the river. A bigger area around that's under a flood advisory, which is a lesser advisory until 10:45. But again, we go a little closer and you can see that area from Rio Grande City down about halfway to Garciasville, and then around that you've still got an advisory in effect. And notice the rain, pretty bold there just a half an hour ago, even an hour ago, but now we're starting to see some breaks and we can actually see the map underneath the rain. That's a good sign. It's not over, but at least it's beginning to let up. Hopefully that's a trend that will continue. Go out just a little wider. You can see the rain has made its way into Mission McAllen. This is not particularly heavy. This is heavy. That's heavy. This is not so much. Yes, it's raining, but there's not much thunder and lightning in it. Most of that's down in Mexico now. There could be a bolt from time to time, but it's not a big thunderstorm per se. It's mostly just a pretty good rain shower. Go a little wider. Notice Cameron County hasn't seen much of anything. A few sprinkles in Willacy County. That's about it right now. But Starr County are the ones that have been under the gun. As expected, as this stuff moves eastward, it weakens. And while some of it could make it all the way to the coast, it will be in a much weaker form by the time it gets there. Here's where rain has fallen, and it's just almost right in Starr County, a little bit carrying over into southwest Hidalgo County. Look at the bullseye, just north of Rio Grande City. Doppler estimates 6 inches of rain there. Got a picture from Garceño of a rain gauge there from Dago Salinas, and he had 4.5 inches at his place, and that's not where the bullseye is. That's a little southwest of there. So big time rain just north of Rio Grande City, all working its way down toward the river as we speak. This is Future Track now, and while it's overplayed on the green, it's the yellows and oranges that we pay attention to tonight. And notice as we go kind of hour by hour through the nighttime hours, by just after midnight, there's not much of the yellow left. There's some out there. There will be some showers, mainly in the west, but as you notice, the big stuff stays in Starr County, western Hidalgo County, 3:15, 4:15 in the morning, 5. And by the time you get to 6 or 7, it begins to fade away, and that's the end of that. And our rain chances will fade pretty quickly after that. How much rain are we looking at? Well, Future Track's underdoing all of it tonight, even in Starr County. It says 2.5 to 4 inches, but we know there's been more than that. After tomorrow morning, the rain chances go away. We're dry, not just Sunday and Monday, but through pretty much all of next week. There's the big picture. Watch how these things fire up right on top of the valley and then move eastward this afternoon. We're kind of right on the edge of this, and I think by tomorrow, once that front's through, that should be about the end of that. The front sitting just to the north, it moves through in the morning, and that's the end of that. A couple lingering showers and not much more. So for tonight, 71. Those thunderstorms mainly west, best chance east, about a 30% probability. Tomorrow back to 85, about a 30% chance of something early in the morning. It's gone by afternoon. Here's a look at the next 7 days. And what we have for you is temperatures up around 90 on Sunday and Monday. After that, you're still in the 90s. Chance of rain tonight, early tomorrow, then it's gone. We're dry for the rest of the forecast period. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.